Welcome everyone to episode 7 of 5 English vocabulary words with a short story. In today's episode, we'll explore 5 smart vocabulary words, their easy meanings, clear examples, and pronunciation. Then, we'll bring them to life with a short, inspiring story that naturally uses all the words. Let's get started. 1. Euphoria. A strong feeling of great happiness and excitement. She felt euphoria after hearing she got the job of her dreams. Winning the race gave him a sense of euphoria he'd never experienced before. 2. Notion. An idea, belief, or opinion, especially one that is vague or not fully developed. He had the notion that success comes overnight, which isn't true. The notion of traveling the world always fascinated her. 3. Foster. To help something grow or develop, especially ideas, relationships, or talents. The teacher worked hard to foster creativity in her classroom. Volunteering can foster a strong sense of community. 4. Imply. To suggest something without saying it directly. Her tone seemed to imply that she was upset. The manager's silence seemed to imply disapproval. Frank, eloquent. Able to speak or write in a clear, powerful, and moving way. His speech was so eloquent that it brought tears to many eyes. She gave an eloquent argument in favor of climate action. Story, the speech that changed everything. Maya had always dreamed of becoming a public speaker, but the notion that she wasn't good enough held her back. Every time she imagined standing on stage, fear overpowered her. One day, her teacher, Mr. Grant, encouraged her to join the school debate team to foster her speaking skills. Though hesitant, she agreed and started practicing daily. During the finals, Maya delivered an eloquent speech on kindness that moved the entire crowd. Her words didn't just inform, they inspired. As the applause echoed through the hall, she felt euphoria wash over her. This was the moment she had waited for. Even the judge's smile seemed to imply, "You've got something special." From that day on, she never let self-doubt limit her again. Read the story aloud by yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and keep growing your vocabulary. If you learned something valuable today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.